guys, it's Courtney from Your House Fitness, just in my beach pose here, no big deal. So we're gonna go over how to do a proper clamshell, okay? So I think there's a lot of confusion around this exercise because it looks very easy, but if you have no idea what you're actually doing, it's just a waste of time. I mean, you basically think that you're doing an aerobics, workout from 1985, okay? But it's not. It's a fantastic exercise to work on that hip. All right. So basically, I'm gonna put my feet together, okay? I'm gonna tuck them back here, roughly 90 degrees, give or take a little bit is fine. I put a band on here because again, I don't have very good glute activation if I don't have a tiny bit of resistance. So this is just an easy band, like level 1. Don't go crazy. Don't be grabbing the really heavy bands up here. And I just put it up on my thighs, so above my knees, okay? I'm gonna get comfortable, relax into my Baywatch position here. And basically, okay, all I'm gonna do is keep my feet together and lift my top knee, okay, or top leg, I should say, all the way up as best I can, pushing against the band. You can see my feet are still together. I feel this in my butt and my hip, and I'm gonna bring it all back down. What I don't want you to do is this. We're not laying on our back, you're not rolling. I want you to keep this hand down here if you think you need some, stability here, or just even as a reference so that you don't roll back. And basically just lift up, squeeze, hold for a second, and bring it all back down. So I'm just abducting the leg, okay, bringing it up and out, enough that I feel this in my hip and my butt. Keep your core nice and tight, try not to roll back. And again, you can play a little bit with how you've got your legs set up, but general textbook rule of thumb here is that knees together, everything's together here when you start, and you're basically just lifting up and against the band and back down. Understand this is for your bum and your hip. If you're not feeling that there, try something else, maybe move the feet, pull the feet back up. My answer to that would be to add resistance. Again, not a lot, but enough that at least you got something for the muscle to work against. And usually that solves most of the issues with people that do a clamshell exercise and don't feel this in their bum. So I would start with maybe 10, so you can do 10, 15, work up towards 20 per side, okay? And again, don't go too crazy until you can graduate from this band, all right? So give it a shot, add it to your next core routine so that your hips are on fire and they work very well for you so that you don't get injured, all right? All right, guys, until next time.